You did everything right, went to school, got the job, worked hard, and paid your bills. Maybe you even managed to save a little. But still, it feels like no matter how much you do, your wallet never catches up with your effort. You look around and think, why does it still feel like I'm stuck at the starting line? We were all told the same story. Study hard, get a good job, save your money. But what if that advice was built for a world that no longer exists? People work longer hours, get more degrees, but somehow they're still drowning in debt. If hard work and education guaranteed success, then why are so many smart-driven Americans still living paycheck to paycheck? Prices keep rising, rent feels impossible, and debt never stops growing. You're running faster every year, but you're not getting anywhere. That's the trap. The system was never designed to set you free. That's why Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki hit so hard. It showed the difference between working for money and making money work for you. Hey everyone, I'm Ethan, and welcome to Ethan's Money Library, where we're building wealth one book at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. We turn powerful books into life-changing lessons every week. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Today, we're diving deep into Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and by the end, you'll see money, work, and freedom completely differently. So grab your notebook because these lessons might just change the way you live your next 10 years. Most people spend their whole lives trading hours for a paycheck. They wake up, go to work, and come home tired, hoping it'll all pay off one day. But the rich? They don't work for money, they make money work for them. The rich focus on building assets, things that keep earning even while they sleep. It's not about how hard you work, but how smart your money works for you. Businesses, real estate, and investments. That's how wealth keeps growing on its own. Imagine your money as your employee, earning for you 24/7. Most people chase security, but the wealthy chase freedom. Employees fear risk. The rich fear staying stuck. Here's the truth. Getting rich isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and grow. Most people work hard but let their money slip away because they don't understand this simple rule. An asset puts money in your pocket. It works for you even when you sleep. A liability takes money out of your pocket. It drains your energy and time. Most Americans think their house is an asset, but if it costs you every month, it's not. Start small, maybe $100 a month into income-generating assets like dividend stocks, rental rooms, or side hustles. Over time, that snowball grows bigger and stronger. Remember, wealth is built slowly but surely. Most of us grew up learning how to earn money, not how to make it work for us. Schools teach us to get good grades and find stable jobs, but they rarely explain how money actually moves in the real world. That's why so many people end up working hard but still feeling stuck because they never learned the game of money. Financial education isn't about being rich, it's about being smart with every dollar. It means understanding how taxes, debt, and investments shape your life every single day. When you know the rules, you stop being a player and start becoming the one who wins the game. Without financial literacy, even people who make six figures can still struggle. Doctors, lawyers, and professionals often lose more money to poor choices than bad luck. But with financial knowledge, anyone, no matter their income, can build real wealth and freedom. Your 9-to-5 job pays the bills, and that's okay. But remember, it's building someone else's dream, not yours. The real move is to use that paycheck as fuel to start something of your own. Something that builds your future, not just theirs. Even if you work for a company, treat your money like you're the CEO of You Incorporated. Track your cash flow, manage your expenses, and invest like a boss. When you start thinking this way, your money stops controlling you and starts working for you. Start a side hustle, a small business, or an investment portfolio, something that belongs to you. Every step you take builds your own empire, brick by brick. Imagine your paycheck going straight into assets that one day replace that paycheck entirely. That's freedom. The rich don't fight the system, they learn to use it. Corporations aren't just for big companies. They're smart shields that protect wealth. Imagine it like armor that keeps your money safe from unnecessary taxes and risks. Corporations are tools the wealthy use to legally reduce taxes and protect what they build. Instead of paying first and keeping what's left, they invest, spend smart, and then get taxed last, all by the book. It's not cheating, it's playing smart. Employees earn, get taxed, then spend. The rich earn, spend, then get taxed, legally. Once you understand the game, you stop working just for money and start making money work for you inside your own system. Most people chase the highest paycheck, but that's a trap. Real success comes when you chase learning instead of just earning. The more skills you master, the more opportunities open up, and that's how real wealth begins. Learn skills that schools never taught us, like sales, marketing, and investing. These are the real tools that make the rich richer. Every new skill is like adding another weapon to your financial toolbox. Every project, every challenge, every mistake, they're all training for your financial freedom. Don't fear the learning curve. Climb it, because every lesson learned today builds the foundation for your independence tomorrow. The biggest difference between the rich and the poor isn't money, it's mindset. Poor dad avoided risks because he feared losing what he had. But rich dad saw every risk as a lesson, something to study, manage, and master for the future. Fear of failure keeps most people trapped in the same place. But courage to learn, even when you fail, is what makes people truly wealthy. Rich dad said, "Every mistake is tuition for your financial education. Start small, fail fast, and adjust quickly. That's the real-life MBA. Playing it safe is often the riskiest thing you can do in today's world. The brave don't wait for perfect timing. They take action and learn along the way." So here's the truth. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book about money. It's about choosing which mindset to live by, fear or freedom. Stop working just for money. Make money work for you. Understand assets versus liabilities. Keep learning, keep growing, keep building your own dream. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still stuck in the system. Tell me in the comments, which rich dad lesson hit you the hardest? Let's discuss. This is Ethan from Ethan's Money Library. Building wealth, one book at a time. See you in the next chapter.